In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a discount sale on your Sellfy store dashboard to help attract more customers and boost your sales. By the end of this guide, you'll have a new sale perfectly configured and ready to roll out on your store. First things first, let's head over to your Sellfy dashboard. Once you've logged in, navigate to the marketing section from the left sidebar. This is your go-to hub for all things related to marketing your products on Sellfy. From there, click on Coupons and Discounts. This page is where you can manage all the discounts and promotions you want to offer your customers. Now, to create a new discount, you'll need to click on the Add New Discount button. You'll see an option for sale, so go ahead and choose that. This option is perfect for when you want to run a temporary price reduction on select items or your entire product range. With the sale creation window open, it's time to fill out the sale details. Start by giving your sale a name. This is not something your customers will see. It's for your internal reference, so choose a name that helps you remember the purpose or products involved in this sale. Next up, you'll need to decide whether your discount will be a percentage off or a fixed amount off. For example, offering 20% off or taking $5 off the original price. Consider which method works best for your pricing strategy and the appeal to your target customers. Once you've decided on the type of discount, it's crucial to set the start date and end date for your sale. This creates a clear time frame, essential for planning and urgency. Make sure that these dates align with any marketing campaigns or social media promotions you might be planning. Another important aspect is deciding which products this sale will cover. You have the flexibility to apply the discount to a single item, multiple items, or even all of your available products. Think about your sales goals and which products might benefit most from a discount. To add a sense of urgency and drive conversions, consider adding a countdown timer on the product page. This optional feature can subtly encourage customers to complete their purchases before time runs out. While optional, setting a limit on how often the sale can be used or how many units can be purchased under this sale is a great way to create scarcity, making the offer more compelling. Finally, once you are satisfied with all these settings, you are ready to implement your sale. Simply click Create Discount to activate the sale. Your customers will now be able to view these deals on your product pages, and you'll be all set to watch your sales potentially rise as a result. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a sale on Sellfy, creating a win-win situation for both you and your customers. Remember to keep innovating with your discounts to keep them attractive and engaging. Happy selling!